What's up, guys? Today I'm back with day 4 of working on the wiring harness.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's my future self, just popping in to make a quick edit. I'm moving on to day 4 because day 3 there wasn't really much content. I had the camera angle off, and come to find out that I needed to order new seals for some of the connectors, and then I needed to order new bridge joints. So I ordered some, I got some in, and then I picked up on day 4. I only did like maybe 3 wires that I routed, but then I found out, I was like, oh, well, crap. I need some new seals. So yeah, I didn't want to go through, edit the whole video, and put out something garbage. So yeah, there's some drama for you. Anyway, let's cut back into day 4, which is actually 3. So here we go.
I just got some new seals in. So that will hopefully these will fit. I'm gonna try them out. But yeah, not really too much to talk about in this intro. I just kind of want to dig in and get the ball rolling. Let's do this. All right. So these are the seals I just got in today. I thought I ordered some other ones, but I guess I didn't. MT090 seals. I got 50 count, and then plus I think these are T6 plugs, which the plugs are for, let's see, where's that? On the 6 connector. See how they don't utilize this area. It's literally just a plug. That's what this is for. So that's just gonna go in there. All right. I forgot what I was working on last time, so that's awesome. I think, actually, no, I was working on this plug. Yeah, that's what it was. I was working on this plug. And then, oh, wait, hold on. Okay, I'm back. I just had to step away for a second. But this is, I ordered this off of Amazon. They're cable lug crimps. I think that's the actual name for them. But there are a few. Let me see where it's at. This right here, where I wasn't too happy with how the crimp came out, so I might redo that one. I might redo this one too. But basically these are the same thing. That way I can have a lot more wires fit in here, and I can actually get a better crimp overall. So that'll be nice. I will be doing that today. That's what I forgot I ordered. I got those off of Amazon. I think they're like 10 bucks or something. So really good to invest in those if you guys are planning on doing this project. That way you can, or like any other wiring project. That way you don't have to solder like 3 different wires together. You can just crimp them all. And yeah, it'll be good. But here we go. And while I'm on that, I might as well just redo that crimp. Well, maybe this one came out okay. Oh yeah, no, I do have to redo this one because I didn't put my heat shrink on, so I do have to redo this. Don't forget your heat shrink. Ah! Ow! God! That hurt. Alright, let me go take care of this real quick. I don't want to get blood all over this. Alright, I'm back. Don't do as I do, guys. Learn from my mistakes. Let me make the mistakes and you learn from them, okay? Just like, forgetting to add your heat shrink. Learn from me. Okay, after all the struggling I went through with that and the many crimps, or the failed crimps I should say, if I had a bigger crimper, maybe like a 3.0 one, I could have gotten this one and maybe these. So I'm just gonna use these bridges for the bigger ones. That way I can fit the 2 wires over here and the one big one right here. It worked out fine. It'll still pass through the current as needed. I just don't want to waste a bunch of time on it. So that's all good. Now I'm gonna work on getting these wires sorted. So this orange and black one, or this black and orange one, it's going to get replaced by just a solid black wire. So for these plugs, the HM090 works pretty well. For any of these plugs out here, I will confirm it with the other ones, as you will see. The MT090 seals will work. So that's great. All right, sorry about that, guys. My camera just died. I just traced back the, I believe this is my CPS plug. I just traced it back and then my camera died. So let's carry on. So there's a broken white plug or white wire here. I'm gonna try to find where it is. And I'll work on that bundle of wires next. Oh, here it is. Hello. Is this it? Ow. This might not be it. Oh, yep, it is. See the black stripe here? This black stripe here. All right, so where's this one going? So this one goes into this gets split off. It's another bridge. So I'll measure the wire to here and then measure the rest. And boom, right there. And I think it's, is this the gauge? Yeah, it seems like it. Yep, it's thicker. I'm gonna use this, I believe. I forgot what this was, 18 gauge? No, maybe it was 16. I think this is 16 gauge. Or 14. It's on my invoice that I bought. I think this is the one I used. I'm not sure. I can pull one of these out. I'm probably just gonna interweave this a little bit so I can stay. There we go. That's more of a, that's a better representation. That gets there. Now I can figure out. Okay, so one of these wires goes to my, I think this is my first injector. Yeah, and then it pigtails off. Okay. And this, where does this one go? Ah, it goes to another injector. So there's a smaller white wire, which is for the injector. Perfect. And then the bigger one carries a longer signal. Okay, awesome. pause the camera and try to figure out how to take this wire out. So when I resume, we'll catch right back up on this. All right, I'm back. And I figured out how to take this out. All I did, I had a pick, and with this in here, I just jammed the pick in between, and I pushed it, and it unclipped itself, and I pulled it out. Pretty easy. Pretty easy after I figured it out. It was pretty annoying. I'll admit that. All right, I'm gonna pause this real quick and debate on what color wire to use right here. So I'll be back and I'll update you guys. All right, I'm back with choosing a color for this. I'm just gonna go with this light blue. It'll be different enough, that way I still know. Plus, I have 4 other wires that are using it. So I measured it out to 10 feet each. So I got 50 feet in here, so I'll have plenty. Plus it's only like maybe a foot or so that I'll be using up. And then for the yellow on here, I have orange. So I'm just gonna use orange from that and it'll be okay. So here we go. All right, let's see if I can reenact this for you guys on camera. So not that little slot, but literally right in that pin. I'm gonna put this poker through, or this pick, I should say, and it goes through.
2 hours later.
So you do put it on that bottom side, that small slit, and you just go push it in, and then it'll pop itself out. I'm probably just going to do a few more, just a couple more connectors. Probably finish up the, I think I just have one more fuel injector wire I need to do. Because 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I have 2 more. So yeah, these are in line with each other. So I'm going to finish up these and then I'm going to call it a night. Well, I'm glad I didn't put that end on yet, because I forgot to put this through the insulation. Or not insulation, the the seal. Okay, sorry about that again. My camera died when I was over here tracing the red and white wire. All I did, put the pin on, put it through the connector, I traced the wire back, and all I did was crimp on another bridge, and I traced out the white wire that I need. That'll come up through here, and now I'm at the point where I'm just gonna leave this and then trace the red and white wire to the last fuel injector plug, and then I'll be done. Oh, it looks like I did have yellow. Whatever. That's okay. That doesn't matter. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it there for tonight. I got a lot of stuff done. I got all the fuel injectors done. I got that 5 plug done. Then I got that big round 4 plug done. It took a lot longer than I expected, but I just wanted to make sure that everything was laid out properly and I didn't have any issues. And so far it's going pretty well. I think I'm about a third of the way done. Yeah, I think I'm about a third of the way done. So yeah, that's gonna conclude day 4. And by the way, sorry if these videos are quite lengthy. I don't really want to cut a whole lot out of what I'm doing, so they're gonna be kind of long. I want to make sure that whoever's doing this can see exactly how I'm doing it, and they can base it off of that without having a whole lot of cuts and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe so you can see more videos like these. And check out my other videos too. I make shorts, and yeah, they're pretty cool. Anyways, have a good one, guys.